Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you this very delicious recipe for gingerbread buns. So this is basically cinnamon buns but with a gingerbread spice. So you want to start out with some warm water in a bowl. You want to add a little bit of sugar to that, mix it well, and then mix in your yeast. So this is dry yeast, and let that sit for 15 minutes in a warm spot. Meanwhile, you can go ahead and melt some butter. You want to take a bowl and you want to add some sugar to that, the melted butter as well, and the exact measurements are down below as always. You want to add some milk and 1 egg and then a tiny little bit of salt. I also added some rum flavor to it, and then you want to give that a quick mix. Next, you want to add half of your flour and you want to mix that in as well. Then you want to add in the yeast mixture and mix again. And then you're ready to add in more flour. Now I needed a little bit more flour than was in the recipe, but I'll still put it at the amount that is in the recipe. Just keep in mind that maybe you will need to add a little bit more. But when you have a nice dough that you can knead well, you wanna just put a towel on top of it and let it rise in a warm spot for 1.5 hours. Meanwhile, you can go ahead and add some sugar, some brown sugar, and the gingerbread spice. And just mix that together. Now the dough is risen, you want to go ahead and roll it out into a quite neat shape. You want to make sure you have some nice corners there, and then you want to spread some more butter all over it. And then you can add the sugar mixture on top. Now all you have to do is roll it up. And then cut it into 12 even slices. So I usually do half, then I do quarters, and then I cut every quarter into 3 pieces, so you have 12 in the end. You want to spread the leftover butter on top of these and then add a little bit more of the sugar mixture. And when you're done with that, you want to put the towel back on and let that rise for another 30 minutes. And then you're ready to bake with 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. And then they look like this, and they're ready to be enjoyed. So I hope you give this a try. I hope you like them. I hope that you have a nice Christmas if you're celebrating. Stay safe, have a great time with your families and friends, and I will talk to you in the new year. Bye!